Imagine setting off on your next adventure without giving up the comfort of a luxury apartment. That's exactly what the new 2026 luxury motorhome Kronos 274S promises to deliver. Whether you're planning a weekend escape, a cross-country road trip, or months of exploring breathtaking destinations, this impressive motorhome combines modern style, smart engineering, and practical living into one unforgettable package. Today, we're taking a closer look at what makes the 2026 Kronos 274S one of the most exciting motorhomes in its class. At first glance, the Kronos 274S immediately stands out with its sleek European-inspired styling. The aerodynamic profile isn't just attractive, it also helps improve efficiency while reducing wind noise during highway driving. Built on a dependable Ford Transit platform in many 2026 configurations, the motorhome offers a strong balance of durability, comfort, and everyday drivability. Its bold front fascia, LED daytime running lights, stylish alloy wheels, and modern graphics create a premium appearance that looks just as impressive parked at a luxury campground as it does cruising down the interstate. Updated exterior finishes for the 2026 model year further enhance its contemporary design. Practicality is just as important as appearance, and that's where the Kronos 274S really shines. Large exterior storage compartments provide generous space for camping gear, folding chairs, bicycles, outdoor grills, and everything else you need for extended adventures. The powered entry step makes getting inside effortless, while the integrated awning instantly transforms the outside into a relaxing living area. With multiple service connections thoughtfully positioned around the vehicle, setup at your campsite is quick and convenient. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how bright and spacious the cabin feels. Large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light, creating an open atmosphere that feels much larger than the vehicle's footprint suggests. The contemporary furniture, soft touch materials, and elegant finishes give the interior the look and feel of a luxury apartment rather than a traditional RV. The lounge area is designed for both relaxation and entertaining. Swiveling captain's chairs become part of the living room once parked, creating comfortable seating for family and friends. The dining table provides plenty of space for meals, remote work, or game nights after a day of exploring. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find everything needed for life on the road. A spacious refrigerator, multiple storage cabinets, a quality cooktop, generous countertop space, and a deep sink allow you to prepare meals almost anywhere. Clever storage solutions maximize every inch of available space, making extended trips far more comfortable. The sleeping arrangements are another highlight. Depending on the configuration, the Kronos 274S offers comfortable sleeping accommodations for several travelers, with premium mattresses designed to provide restful nights after long days behind the wheel. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a separate shower, modern fixtures, excellent storage, and enough room to comfortably handle daily routines. Technology also plays a major role throughout the cabin. Expect a modern infotainment system with navigation, smartphone connectivity, USB charging ports, efficient LED lighting, automatic climate control, and numerous convenience features that make every journey more enjoyable. Safety hasn't been overlooked either, with driver assistance technologies, stability control airbags, and advanced braking systems helping provide confidence on every mile. Under the hood, the 2026 Kronos 274S is typically powered by a Ford EcoBlue diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth acceleration, dependable highway cruising, and plenty of torque for mountain roads and fully loaded travel. The suspension is tuned to provide a stable ride while maintaining excellent comfort over long distances. Despite its generous size, the motorhome remains surprisingly easy to maneuver thanks to responsive steering, good visibility, and modern driver assistance systems. As for pricing, the 2026 Kronos range offers excellent value in the luxury motorhome segment. Depending on market equipment and optional packages, prices generally begin around the upper $60,000 range and can exceed $280,000 for highly equipped versions. Considering its premium features, spacious interior, advanced technology, and travel-ready design, it represents a compelling option for buyers seeking luxury without stepping into ultra-premium pricing. The 2026 luxury motorhome Kronos 274S proves that you don't have to choose between adventure and comfort. It delivers stylish design, practical living space, reliable performance, and premium features that transform every trip into an unforgettable experience. If you've been dreaming of exploring the open road while bringing the comforts of home along for the ride, this impressive motorhome deserves a spot at the top of your list. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments where you'd take the Kronos 274S on its very first adventure.